Hey guys, if you want to save hours editing, you can use Gling AI to make that happen. So first of all, search for Gling AI in your PC, right? And just go ahead and look it up. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click start for free, right? And you can use the Gling AI you can use it on these two main search browsers. If you use a Chrome browser, just go ahead and click on it. If you have a Microsoft Edge, just go ahead and click it, right? Or you could download it from Mac. In my case, I already downloaded it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open it up, and you're gonna see that I have downloaded it. So I can go and click the downloads right here at the top, and then click the AI, or click the setup, and then I'm gonna click link, right? So I'm gonna wait for a few moments, right? And then you're gonna be able to see the whole interface. Now you can drag your videos right here, or click to browse your videos from your files, or you can use the example project. I'm using my example project, and you can see obviously the AI tools from here. You have the AI assistant to generate titles or chapters, and you have the enhance right here to add smart captions, jump cut zooms, or remove audio noise, speech enhancement. In my case, I'm gonna use the jump cut zooms, right? This might take a while for larger files or b-rolls, and if you want to see the final result, you could just go ahead and hit play, right? You're gonna be able to hear it. So basically, you're gonna be able to see the final result, right? Make sure that you just click enhance at the top. As you can see right here, you're gonna hear add audio for this file. Okay, as you can see right here, you can hear it. So basically, I'm gonna stop this. Basically, you're gonna be able to add jump cuts, smart captions if you want to add smart captions, and many more. Okay, and if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and hit export at the top right, and you can export it as a MP4, right? But you need to sign up or sign in to export. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.